Life Goals Tracker in the book, The 5 Lanes of Life and the 6 Wheels of Success. Welcome. What you're looking at is the Life Goals Tracker, a complete, private, browser-based system for setting and tracking every meaningful goal across all 5 areas of your life: personal, career, economic, family, and social. In the next 5 minutes, I'll show you exactly what it does, why it's different, and how to get it for just $5, yours to keep and use for life. The problem: most people carry their goals in their heads, unwritten, undated, and unreviewed. They make strong starts in January and drift by March. They focus heavily on career or finance and quietly neglect health, family, or social life. And when they look for a tool to help, they find apps that cover one area but never the whole picture. This tracker was built to solve exactly that: one complete system for your whole life. 5 Lanes of Life. The tracker is organized around the 5 lanes of life: personal, career, economic, family, and social. Every area of your life belongs in one of these 5 lanes. Within them, the tracker gives you 23 specific life areas, from health and fitness to investments, from parents to spouse, with space to set and track up to 5 goals in each area. That's up to 115 goals, all organized, all in one place. 6 Wheels of Success. Behind every goal, 6 inner capacities determine whether you actually reach it. The 6 wheels of success are: sense of responsibility, character and ethics, attitude, habits, skills of survival, and technology and tools. In the tracker, you tag every goal with the wheel it builds. A built-in 6 wheels dashboard then shows you at a glance which inner strength you're cultivating most, and which is quietly being neglected. Smart Goals. A wish without a structure is just a wish. Every goal in the Life Goals Tracker comes with a built-in SMART verification checklist. Specific: exactly what you'll achieve. Measurable: a number or date you can check. Achievable: within your real time and resources. Relevant: connected to your deeper purpose. And time-bound: a firm target date. Tick each one, and your goal graduates from a wish to a commitment. Full Goal Form. Click on any goal and a complete planning form opens. You get a clear goal statement, the objective and why it matters to you, the SMART check, a 10-step action plan with names and dates, a progress score that changes color from red to green as you advance, a 6 wheels tag, a running review log, and a full benefits and risks analysis. Everything you need to plan, execute, and review, in one form, for every goal, in every lane. Privacy and no installation. Your life goals are private. In the Life Goals Tracker, nothing is uploaded, nothing is tracked, and nothing is shared, ever. Everything stays on your own device. There is no app to install, no account to create, and no store to visit. You simply download one file, open it in any browser, and you're working in under a minute. And it costs just $5, a one-time payment, yours to keep and reuse every year. Companion book. The Life Goals Tracker doesn't stand alone. It is the action partner of a full companion book, The 5 Lanes of Life and the 6 Wheels of Success. 9 chapters written by Basheer Juma, a former office managing partner at Ernst & Young with over 40 years of professional experience. The book teaches the thinking, the tracker carries out the work. Read a chapter, then open the tracker and act on it immediately. Together, they form a complete system, from intention to achievement. Who is this for? The Life Goals Tracker is for anyone who wants to live more intentionally. Whether you're a professional juggling career, family, and finances, a parent planning for yourself and your children, someone working on habits and personal growth, or a student applying the companion book's frameworks, this system was built for you. And with editions in 8 languages: English, Urdu, Arabic, Persian, Hindi, Chinese, Spanish, and Indonesian, it reaches communities worldwide. Here is how to get started. Download the Life Goals Tracker, choose the English edition or any of the 7 other language editions. Open it in any browser, it takes less than a minute. Choose your first lane, click on a goal, and fill in the form. And set a review date, because that one step is what separates a plan that works from one that quietly fades. The Life Goals Tracker is available at www.timemanagementclub.com, on Gumroad, and on Payhip, for just $5. A one-time payment, yours to keep and reuse every year. The goal that changes your year is waiting. All you have to do is write it down. The link of the book and the app has been given in the comments section of this video.